Hello everyone, in this video we're going to draw a Labubu. Start by drawing a circle as a guide for the head. An easy way to draw a circle is to first sketch a couple of guidelines. Draw a vertical line to determine the length of the circle. Make a small mark near the halfway point of the line. Make this line longer to create a horizontal line. You're basically creating a big plus sign. At the top of the vertical guide, make a small mark for the top edge of the circle. At the bottom, make another small mark for the bottom edge of the circle. Make sure that the distances between the marks and the middle of the plus sign are about the same. On the tips of the horizontal line, make a couple more small marks for the sides of the circle. Now connect the small marks using curved lines to finish the shape of the circle. Sketch lightly at first so that it's easy to erase if you make a mistake. Also, pause the video as you follow along to draw at your own pace. Make a small mark halfway between the middle of the plus sign and the bottom edge of the circle. Make this line longer to create a curved horizontal line. Curve the tips of this line up so that they're below the horizontal line for the plus sign. This is a construction guide that will help you place the facial features later. Now extend the vertical line for the plus sign farther down so that it's below the head. Make a small mark at the bottom to indicate the lower edge of the body. Pay attention to the placement of this mark below the head. The guide for the body will be a smaller circle. Draw a couple of marks on the sides to indicate the width of the circle. Connect the small marks using curved lines to finish the circle for the body. The circle for the body should be small in relation to the circle for the head. On the sides of the body and below the head, draw a couple of sloping lines for the first part of the arms. Close off the shapes of the arms at the bottom using a couple more short lines. Below the body, draw a couple of small vertical lines for the inner edges of the legs. At the very bottom, draw longer horizontal lines for the bottom edges of the legs. Draw a couple of longer vertical lines on the sides for the outer edges of the legs. Curve the lines slightly. Extend the vertical guideline higher up so that it's above the head. Draw a couple of small marks on the head to the left of the vertical guide. At the top, make a small mark to indicate the top edge of the ear. Now make similar marks to the right of the vertical guide for the edges of the other ear. Make sure that the marks on either side of the vertical guide are about the same. Now connect the small marks using curved lines to create the guides for the ears. The ears are basically tall arcs. And that's it for the guidelines. Now let's start on the final drawing. Inside the head, lightly sketch curved lines for the eyes. Each eye will be similar to the letter U. Place the eyes between the horizontal construction guides and on either side of the vertical guide. Don't draw the eyes too far apart from each other. Use the vertical line as a guide. When you get the positions of the eyes right, darken the lines. Extend the tops of the eyes a bit higher than the horizontal line. On top of each eye, draw a short horizontal line for the eyebrows. Inside each eye, draw a long oval shape for the pupils. The pupils will take up a big space inside the eyes. Inside the pupils, at the top, draw a tiny circle for a highlight. Between the eyes, draw a small triangular shape for the nose. Place the nose directly on the vertical guide and slightly higher than the curved horizontal guide. Below the nose and on the vertical guide, make a small mark for the first part of the mouth. Make a couple more small marks on the sides of the head to indicate the tips of the mouth. Connect the small marks using curved lines to finish the shape of the mouth. Make sure that the right tip of the mouth is higher than the left tip. Under the mouth, draw a series of small triangles for the teeth. Draw a total of 9 teeth. Draw 4 teeth to the left of the vertical guide and 5 to the right. Halfway between the top of the eyes and the top edge of the head, make a small mark on the vertical guide. On the sides of the head, make a couple more small marks on the horizontal line. Connect the small marks using curved lines to create the edge of the fur. As you darken the line, draw a couple of short strokes at the top to create a furry texture. Continue to draw the lines downward to finish the shape of the face. Follow the basic path of the initial circle as you draw these lines. Draw the bottom edge of the face slightly higher than the initial circle. Use the first circle as a guide to draw the rest of the head. Draw a series of small angled lines at the top to represent the fur on the head. Make the sides of the head slightly wider than the initial circle. Follow the basic curvature of the circle as you draw these lines. Use broken lines as you darken the shape to create a furry texture. Make sure that the bottom of the head is wider than the top. Darken the arcs on top of the head to create the shapes of the ears. Use a couple of angled lines on the sides to indicate fur. Inside each ear, draw a smaller arc for the edge of the fur. Within that, draw smaller arcs for the ears' openings. Darken the sloping lines on the sides of the body for the outer edges of the arms. Draw a series of angled lines on the bottoms of the shapes for the edge of the fur. Below the arm on the left, draw a couple of small V-shaped lines for the fingers on the hand. Draw a small angled line on the side for the thumb, and then 3 smaller angled lines at the bottom for the other fingers. Don't make the hand too big. Draw the hand on the right side the same way. Draw a small angled line on the side for the thumb and 3 smaller angled lines at the bottom for the fingers. Darken the sides of the guides to create the shapes of the legs. Use short angled lines as you follow the path of the guides to create a furry texture. Make the angled lines at the bottom slightly bigger. Below the legs, draw a series of V-shaped lines for the toes. Draw 3 toes on each foot. Darken a bit of the small circle to create the shape of the body. Inside the body, add a couple of short angled lines to create a furry texture. Make the final lines darker than the guides. And that's it for the Labubu. All you have to do now is go over the final lines with permanent ink, erase the guides, and color your drawing. The next few steps will be sped up so that the video isn't too long, but make sure that you go over your final lines slowly and carefully to avoid any accidents. For more tutorials like this, please visit EasyDrawingTutorials.com. Let me know in the comments what other characters you want to see me draw. Don't forget to leave a like and to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep drawing.